Welcome to Healthy Cooking with Emily. I hope you enjoy cooking this recipe that is delicious and healthy too. It's easy and fun and great for beginners and kids who are looking for a quick and simple dish to make. On my channel, you will find other videos of recipes varying from crustless quiche Lorraine to chocolate chip clouds. Always remember, when eating healthy, you can't go wrong in keeping your body nice and strong.
Preheat the oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Cover 2 cookie sheets with parchment paper. When putting the dough in the cookie sheets, I ran out of room and ended up having to add more parchment paper so I could fit another row. So make sure to cover the whole sheet with paper. In a large bowl, add half a cup of egg whites. 4 egg whites created about half a cup. Now add 1/8 of a teaspoon of cream of tartar. Next, use an electric mixer and beat the ingredients until you get soft peaks. You'll be able to tell when you have soft peaks when you lift up the beater and little mountains are formed that slightly curl over at the top. This is what soft peaks look like. Now add half a cup of sugar a little bit at a time, beating well after adding it. Add a teaspoon of vanilla. Use an electric mixer to mix the ingredients to get stiff peaks. You'll be able to tell when you have stiff peaks when you lift the beaters out of the dough and small, stiff mountains are formed. This is what stiff peaks look like. The next step is to sift and then fold in unsweetened cocoa powder. Next, add a cup of chocolate chips and gently fold them in. I use dark chocolate. Now use a spoon to scoop the dough and put it on the cookie sheets. The first cookie sheet tray I did 3 rows of 4 and I didn't have enough room, so I ended up having to put more parchment paper down and add another row. Put the cookies in the oven and set a timer for 34 to 40 minutes. I did mine for 34 minutes. When the timer is done, take the cookies out of the oven and place them on a cooling rack to cool. One of the ways that this recipe is healthier than other recipes for cookies is the amount of sugar that the recipe has. A standard recipe for chocolate meringue that I found made several less cookies and still used more sugar than this recipe does. Because there is less sugar in this recipe, it is healthier and has a unique taste from other cookies. When learning about nutrition and how to eat healthy, a good place to start is by looking at a food pyramid. In my opinion, the easiest one to understand and follow is the current one by my plate. It shows recommendations for the proportions of each food group you should eat with every meal. As you can see, half the plate is for fruits and vegetables and the other half is for grains and protein. People should eat 1 to 2 cups of fruit a day. Things that are in the food group are fresh fruit, canned fruit, frozen fruit, dried fruit, and 100% fruit juice. Everyone also needs to eat somewhere between 1 and 3 cups of vegetables a day. Some things that are in the vegetable group are fresh vegetables, frozen vegetables, canned vegetables, dried or dehydrated vegetables, and 100% vegetable juice. The next section of the plate is the grain section. You should eat between 3 and 8 ounces of grain a day. Some examples of grain are rice, cornmeal, bread, pasta, cereal, tortillas, oatmeal, and popcorn. Another important food group is protein. Foods that fall into the protein category are meat, poultry, seafood, beans, eggs, nuts, and seeds. In general, people should eat between 2 and 6.5 ounces a day. The last section on the My Plate diagram is dairy. You should eat less dairy than the other food groups. This is why the dairy section is represented in a glass next to the plate. You should eat somewhere between 2 and 3 cups of dairy a day. Some things that belong in the dairy food group are milk, yogurt, cheese, and calcium-fortified soy milk.
Thanks for watching! I hope you had fun and enjoyed our time together. If you're interested, check out the other videos on my channel and take a look at my website. It's linked in the description. Don't forget, when eating healthy, you can't go wrong in keeping your body nice and strong.